Hi everyone, welcome back to the Shah Talks. If you're new here, I'm Shah Nawaz, and I'm sharing everything I learn as I study business systems analysis to help you grow your knowledge too. Today, we're going to talk about something super practical. The top 5 tools every business systems analyst should master. Whether you're new to this field or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will give you a clear starting point. So, let's get started. As a business systems analyst, your job is to bridge the gap between business needs and technical solutions. To do this effectively, you need the right tools in your toolbox. These tools will help you analyze data, manage projects, create workflows, and communicate your findings to stakeholders. Let's dive into the top 5 tools that every aspiring or current business systems analyst should know. First up is SQL, or Structured Query Language. This is a must-have skill for working with databases. SQL allows you to retrieve, manipulate, and analyze data stored in databases, something you'll do a lot as a business systems analyst. For example, let's say a company wants to know which products are their best sellers. Using SQL, you can query the database to pull up sales data and generate insights. It's an incredibly powerful tool for problem-solving and decision-making. If you're new to SQL, start with basic commands like select, insert, update, and delete. Trust me, this is a skill that will serve you throughout your career. Next, we have Power BI or Tableau, which are data visualization tools. These tools help you take raw data and turn it into clear, actionable insights. For instance, instead of handing over a spreadsheet filled with numbers, you can create an interactive dashboard that shows key performance indicators, trends, and patterns. These visuals make it easier for stakeholders to understand the story behind the data. Both tools are user-friendly, and there are tons of tutorials online to help you get started. Whether it's creating charts, graphs, or reports, these tools are invaluable for communicating data effectively. Our third tool is JIRA or Trello, which are project management tools. As a business systems analyst, you'll often be part of projects that involve multiple teams and tasks. Tools like JIRA and Trello help you stay organized and ensure that everyone is on the same page. For example, you can use JIRA to track the progress of a software development project or Trello to manage tasks for an internal process improvement initiative. Both tools are great for collaboration and keeping projects on track. And if you're learning Agile or Scrum methodologies, JIRA, in particular, is a fantastic tool to practice with. Number 4 on our list is Microsoft Excel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Excel? Isn't that outdated? But here's the thing. Excel is still one of the most versatile tools out there for data analysis and modeling. Whether you're creating pivot tables, running what-if scenarios, or even building quick prototypes for a system, Excel is incredibly handy. It's especially useful for smaller projects or when you're just starting out. If you're not comfortable with Excel yet, start by learning formulas, pivot tables, and data visualization features like charts and graphs. Finally, we have process mapping tools like Lucidchart or Microsoft Visio. These tools help you visually map out workflows and processes, which is a big part of a business systems analyst's job. For example, if you're analyzing how a company processes customer orders, you can use Lucidchart to create a flowchart that shows every step in the process. This makes it easier to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Both tools are intuitive and allow you to create professional-looking diagrams that you can share with your team or stakeholders. So, there you have it, the top 5 tools every business systems analyst should master: SQL, Power BI or Tableau, JIRA or Trello, Microsoft Excel, and process mapping tools like Lucidchart or Visio. These tools are the foundation of your work as a business systems analyst and will help you tackle a variety of challenges in this field. If you're just starting out, pick one tool and start learning today. Small steps lead to big results. Which of these tools are you most excited to learn? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on business systems analysis and tech careers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.